tell him I'm still going to come down there.
Yeah.
But I want you to take pictures so I can just go ahead and wrap my mind around it.
You got it. I'll do it. Andrew wants me to go down to the RV park, take pictures of what James wants done. That'll give me an opportunity to see what's going on at the RV park and get pictures for Andrew. It is starting to cool down pretty quick here. It was 45 degrees when I left this morning. Hey, Zach. Have you seen James at all today?
No.
Okay. All right.
I'm trying to put a face to James's name.
RV park. James.
Oh, way earlier. I haven't seen him in a hot minute.
Okay.
He's usually busting around on a side-by-side, so if you don't see one parked around that's like unoccupied, then he's probably up at the camp.
Okay, so I'm gonna go down there. Andrew wants me to go down. He was supposed to meet with him after lunch. He wants me to go down there, talk to James. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Get some pictures of what he wants done so he can wrap his mind around it, and then I'll bring him back. And
Do you need a ride?
yeah, if you don't mind, I was gonna take my truck. Yeah, absolutely. That would be great. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. It'll get my mind off not being able to find my car.
Yeah, you had it at lunch?
I know.
I don't miss it.
Hand this to our guy.
There you go.
I don't know whose it is. It's yours now.
All right, we get to see the progress that's been made. I'm sure it's going to look great. I saw you way down there earlier, way at the end. Could it have fallen out? No, okay.
No, I'm sure. Sorry.
Oh yeah, look at that. Road looks fantastic.
It came through with steamrollers and.
Oh, did they? The big, okay, the actual road equipment. No kidding. Keep them warm. Oh yeah, this looks great. Yep, there's
Side by side.
Yep, there it is.
Maybe he's working with these.
All right, we'll check it out. Park looks great. Is he at his? Is he at? Okay. James. Hey man, how's it going? You hanging in there? You hanging in there?
Oh yeah.
Two things. Andrew wasn't able to come down after lunch for the electrical stuff that you wanted done. He wants you to show me what you need done, and I'm going to take pictures of it so I can send it back to him or give it to him, and then he'll be able to get his mind around what's going on. And then number 2, you promised me a tour. All right.
How's it going?
It goes every day.
Goes every day.
I'm telling you. What I'm trying to do is get power back to this house.
Power back. Yep.
I've got power here in the campground, just on this back line,
Yeah.
and the power comes from that meter base right there.
Right. Yep. Right there.
Pole.
Yep. With the satellite.
But for some reason, Duke Power, or somebody, I don't know who did it actually.
Hey, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. So, hold there. Okay.
There was a Generac generator sitting here, which went underwater.
Yep. Okay.
There's a weatherhead here.
Yep.
And if I'm not mistaken, that's where that wire's cut right there.
Yeah.
I think that's where the power was for the house. I'm
Okay.
not 100% sure about that.
Okay. Okay.
This here went into an automatic transfer switch.
Automatic transfer switch. Yep. Okay.
So I don't know if this is the power for the house,
Or-
because I don't
okay.
think that wire is big enough to supply power to this house.
Okay. Okay.
That cable there came from here, and this transfer switch also, and went into this box.
I will explain all that to him.
So I know the supply coming into the house
Yeah.
is right there in that conduit.
And you think?
This is an old hookup, because I used to have a generator sitting here, and I think this went to that.
And you think this is?
I think that's the supply to the house, and I think it goes to there.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I'm not 100% sure about that either.
And that was a transfer switch?
Yeah.
Okay.
There was a transfer switch mounted on the wall right here.
Gotcha. Fantastic.
So I hope that works.
Yes, yes. I got pictures and everything. I'll explain it to him. Talk to me.
Well, you can kind of see that
Yeah, it looks great.
we've kind of got it cleaned up. I'm still not quite done with it. I'm not satisfied with what I've done with it so far. I've been trying to grade it out
Yeah. It looks fantastic.
because from the understanding from Shane
Uh-huh.
with Spokes of Hope, they're going to bring hot tents in here.
Okay.
I guess volunteers are staying in different locations or whatever. I'm not 100% sure on all of it. But
Okay.
anyway, they want to bring the hot tents and set them up in here, so they have a more like a base camp. These are people that are staying in hot tents
Okay. Okay.
that are located all over the place.
Gotcha. Okay. Where does your land go to?
Out there,
It goes out there.
about where the formation of the line of rocks are right there.
So the river and then where the rocks are.
Well, the river was not normally here.
Right, exactly. It was
further
further up.
over.
Okay.
Right.
So you lost 20% of your land after not including the road. So 20, maybe 30%.
20 to 30%.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Okay. Okay. So are you gonna get this back? Where this road is now?
Well, whenever the temporary road is done,
Okay.
which could be anywhere from, I'm saying, 5 to 10 years.
Oh gosh.
So anyway, that's the plan with the land that I have left.
Okay. Okay.
We're going to put hot tents, and we're going to clean all that up down there and put hot tents down there where the garage is.
Now this building,
It
was not here when we were here
Yeah.
3 weeks ago, right?
Yeah, it was here.
The trailer was there, wasn't
Right.
it? Got it.
And there was a metal building sitting where this
Yeah.
Suburban is.
Yeah. And
And then
that's
I
where
had
the
3
tree.
trailers in
Yeah.
line here,
Gosh, it just changed so much.
right?
I don't remember seeing that there.
Yeah, it was there. It's a 1984. It's been there.
Where was the ditch where the tree was? Right here, right? Okay. So it was okay. Wow.
Finished my culvert today.
Yep,
The
that's that.
concrete.
Yep.
I just finished the concrete work a while ago.
Nice.
See, that actually goes out. Well, it fucking buried my damn pipe. I'll have to say something about that. So anyway,
Well, let me ask you this. Once you get back on your feet, because I know you're going to survive, with the trailers that you'll put back up here or whatever, are you going to be able to recoup, at least live off the income that you're going to eventually get back from all this?
yeah. I mean, the campground made good income,
Okay.
but of course, that's all gone. So.
Yeah, okay.
And then I have the shower house that was brought in.
Oh, nice. That's cool. Okay.
They're also looking for another unit like this that's going to be for a laundry trailer
Yep.
for when all the people
Yeah.
are here with the hot tents.
Where's that camper that FEMA brought? That's it? That they haven't finished yet?
Yeah, it's still not up. You can see I don't have a meter for the power pole.
And this was what, 2 weeks ago or something like
Yeah.
that? So FEMA brought this in. They said they were going to get the power and everything.
They came in and set it up, tied it down, ran the sewer pipe, put in the temporary pole, and that's where it stands today. And I can't go into it until FEMA does the complete inspection, which I told them, I said, well, I guess I'll get in by March.
At this point, it'd be just tell them to take it away and put your own in. You know what I mean?
I'm
Or volunteer.
I'm about ready to tell them to get the fucking thing out of here.
Yeah, exactly. Boy, that's really cleaned up too. You got your garage boarded up.
Yeah,
Is
it
your
all.
Harley still in?
No, the Harley's still in there. It's on a trailer now, but
Yeah.
the garage is all cleaned out. We pressure washed it.
Oh,
got all the
nice.
sand out.
Okay.
Went in and redid all the electric in it.
Really, already?
Yep. And I'm
Fantastic.
waiting to do power to connect from that
The
power
pole, yeah, the pole that's on the outside. Yeah.
from that pole out there to put a drop in, because they kept that line off.
Well, the last time we were here, they were doing some chainsaw work right next to the pole. They were cleaning it up or something.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. It's looking good though. This is amazing for. I think I've been gone for about a month. Looks fantastic. So, when the new campers come in, how were they getting power? Did you have underground power?
Yeah, it's all the sewer, the water line, everything is gone.
Okay, so
That's
that's got to be
put
new.
all new shit in.
Okay. And where were you talking about they were going to raise the road? Is that the level of the road right now?
They've
where it's
already raised it.
That's it. Okay.
They're actually raising it up past where I'm staying there.
Yeah.
Because they're going to put a temporary bridge to cross over to that campground over there, because there's no access to it at all.
Okay. Dude, I feel for you. Gosh. Now, have people been over there though, at least, or is it
The couple that own the campground, they've been over there. They access across the river. Hey, he's got a jacked up truck, so he's able.
Oh, okay. So he does that. Did they finish the road to Batcave? Did they?
I don't know. That was one of the things that I was getting ready to work on to find out. I was going to call somebody up in back there to find out.
Okay. Yeah, it's starting to chill out here, so.
I'm trying my best not to get myself sick,
Yeah, you don't need that right
So
now.
I don't need a cold or anything.
Nope. So is anybody, if you have power up here, are people staying here for?
No, there's nobody staying here.
Nobody.
Right now, just
Okay.
me.
Okay. Well, it's progress, man.
Yeah, I mean, it's a little bit every day.
Yeah.
I mean, for example, like my septic tank down there on the other end, it took me 3 days to fucking dig it out
Jeez.
to access the top of it.
Other end of the building.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then next time I get some volunteers,
Yep.
I've got a messed up shoulder,
Yeah.
so I can't really do a whole lot with this arm, weight-wise.
Yeah.
But I want to go up under the house
Uh huh.
because there's a bunch of these decorative blocks.
Yeah. Yep. I see him.
Walk up and try to get all the shit out from underneath the house,
Okay.
because like all the ductwork for the air conditioner and all that,
Yeah.
it's all been ripped out.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to bring this house back to life. So.
Okay.
And then there was one of the other electricians, Joe is his name.
Yep.
He came over, but he's trying to check on what it would cost me to get another Generac system brought in here. Because see, the Generac system was not only just for the house, but for the well. Because when I lose power of the well.
Yeah,
Then the Generac would keep it running.
Yep. Switching. Yeah.
Because the big wire
Yep.
the gray one. That's tied into here right now so that I have power back to the well house because we were running that on generators for quite a while.
Okay. Inch forward.
I never dreamed I'd get this far. When I first came here, saw this place.
It was. You
I
could.
just thought about walking
It didn't
away.
compute, right? Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, at my age, I didn't want to do it.
Yeah. But now you're a third of the way there, right?
Right. I mean, every morning I walk out with a cup of coffee and I look, and I'm like, I'm gonna get there.
Yep. No doubt. I'm good. Yeah, thank you, James. Hey, I'm gonna try to be up here again.
Right.
I'll definitely try to get me the 14th, and we'll chat again.
Okay.
And we'll see what's going on, and get some more updates and help out, man.
All right,
Stay
man.
warm, buddy.
Yep.
Y'all do the same.
Thank you.
Do my best.
He's hanging in there.
Driving as best we can.
Yeah, definitely.
God, these things are fun. Just enough out of control, but we're never gonna lose it.
Yeah.
Ever.
You can almost do some drifting on this thing, man.
So chunky. It's so chunky. You just throw the back end out and it doesn't matter as long as you're going forward, you'll straight.
That's awesome. Woo.
Where do you need drop off?
Oh, wherever.
Yeah, I mean, do you want to link up with Andrew?
Yeah, we'll go with Andrew again, see what's going on. Is the installation getting here tomorrow?
I don't know. I hope.
Yeah.
Probably building 3 if I had to take a guess.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Woo. That was good.